Imagine you are walking into a place. You smell fresh cookies. You see a soft blue sofa. You feel completely relaxed. Do you know where you are?
I know where I am, Anna. I'm at home.
Exactly. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Anna.
And I'm Eric. Today we are talking about a very special place, the home.
This is a great topic because everyone has a home, but everyone's home is different. But wait, before we start, Eric, I have a question for you. If your house was on fire and everyone was safe, what is the one thing you would grab?
Oh, that's a good question. I think I would grab my old photo album
Why the photo album?
because it's irreplaceable.
Ooh, irreplaceable. That's a big word. Eric, can you explain what irreplaceable means for our listeners?
Of course, if something is irreplaceable, it means you cannot find another one like it. You can buy a new TV, you can buy a new phone, but you cannot buy new memories or old photos. They are one of a kind.
I love that. Well, today, listeners, we're going to help you describe your irreplaceable home. We will talk about the rooms, the furniture, and how we feel when we are there. Let's start with the room where most people spend their time, the living room. Eric, describe your living room to me.
My living room is quite spacious.
Oh, wait, Eric. Spacious. Let's stop there. What does spacious mean?
Good catch, Anna. Spacious comes from the word space. If a room is spacious, it means it is big and has a lot of room to move around. It's the opposite of cramped.
Ah, cramped. Like when you were in a small elevator with 10 people?
Exactly. That is cramped, but my living room is spacious. I have a large L-shaped sofa.
An L-shaped sofa? Why is it called that?
Because it looks like the letter L. It's great for lounging.
Lounging. That sounds like a lazy word, am I right?
Yes. To lounge means to sit or lie in a very relaxed way. When I get home from work, I love lounging on my sofa and watching Learn English every day on YouTube.
Wise choice. In my living room, the most important thing is the coffee table. But I don't drink coffee.
That's funny. In English, we call that small table in front of the sofa a coffee table, even if you only put books or snacks on it.
I also have a lot of clutter on my coffee table. Eric, do you know that word?
I do, but maybe our listeners don't. Clutter is a collection of things lying around in an untidy way, like old mail, keys, or pens.
Yes, my husband says I am messy, but I prefer to say I am organized in my own way.
Messy means not neat. If you leave your clothes on the floor, you are messy.
Let's move to my favorite room, the kitchen. I love to cook. Eric, are you a good cook?
I'm okay. I can make toast.
Well, the kitchen has a lot of specific English words. For example, where do you keep your milk cold?
In the fridge. That's short for refrigerator, but almost everyone just says fridge.
And where do you cook your pasta?
On the stove.
Right. And inside the stove is the oven, where we bake cakes and cookies. Listeners, remember, stove is for the top, boiling water, and oven is for the inside, baking.
Anna, my kitchen has a lot of cupboards.
Cupboards. That's a strange word if you look at how it's spelled. It looks like cupboard.
You're right, but we pronounce it cupboard. A cupboard is a piece of furniture with shelves and doors, usually used for storing food or dishes.
I have a pantry, too. Eric, what is a pantry?
A pantry is like a very large cupboard or a small room just for food. It's where I keep my bags of rice, pasta, and snacks.
I wish I had a pantry. My kitchen is a bit tiny.
Tiny. That's a good word for very, very small.
Yes, it's so tiny that only one person can be in there at a time. If Eric comes in, we bump into each other.
To bump into someone means to accidentally hit them while you're walking. It's not a hard hit, just a little oops.
Eric, after a long day of recording podcasts, I am exhausted.
Exhausted? Does that mean you're a little tired?
No, it means I am very tired. My energy is at 0%. So I go to the bedroom.
The bedroom is for sleeping. I have a very comfortable bed.
Comfortable. Many students find that word hard to pronounce. Say it with me, Eric.
Comfortable.
Perfect. If something is comfortable, it makes you feel physically relaxed. Eric, what is on your bed?
I have 2 pillows for my head and a thick duvet.
A duvet? Some people call that a comforter or a blanket.
Yes, a duvet is usually the big, fluffy one that keeps you warm in winter.
And where do you put your clothes?
In the wardrobe, or some people say closet.
In my bedroom, I also have a nightstand.
A nightstand, is that where you stand at night?
No, a nightstand is a tiny table next to your bed. I put my lamp and my phone there.
Ah, I see. I call that a bedside table. Both are correct.
Eric, do you have a carpet or hardwood floors in your bedroom?
I have hardwood floors, but I have a small rug next to the bed.
Let's explain the difference. A carpet usually covers the whole floor from wall to wall. A rug only covers a small part of the floor.
I like my rug because when I wake up in the morning, the floor isn't cold on my feet.
Eric, do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment. In the UK, they call it a flat.
Since you live in an apartment, you probably don't have a yard.
No, I don't have a yard. A yard is the area of grass or land around a house, but I do have a balcony.
A balcony is great. It's that outdoor platform that is attached to the side of a building. What do you do on your balcony?
I have some potted plants.
Potted plants. Those are plants that grow in containers, not in the ground.
Yes, I'm trying to grow tomatoes, but I don't have a green thumb.
To have a green thumb, that's an idiom. Does it mean your thumb is actually colored green?
No, if you have a green thumb, it means you're very good at gardening. You're good at making plants grow.
Well, I have a black thumb. Every plant I buy dies in 1 week.
Oh no, maybe you just need more sunlight in your apartment.
Okay, Eric, to finish our podcast, let's play a quick game. It's called Dream Home. I will describe a home, and you tell me if you want to live there.
I'm ready.
Okay, imagine a cottage in the mountains.
A cottage? What's that?
A cottage is a small, old-fashioned, cozy house, usually in the countryside.
That sounds lovely. Does it have a fireplace?
Yes, a big stone fireplace to keep you warm.
I love it. I want to live there. My turn. How about a penthouse in New York City?
Ooh, a penthouse. That's the expensive apartment on the very top floor of a tall building, right?
Yes, it has floor-to-ceiling windows.
Floor to ceiling. That means the window is as tall as the whole wall. The view would be breathtaking.
Breathtaking. Like someone hit you in the stomach?
No. If a view is breathtaking, it is so beautiful that you forget to breathe for a second. It is amazing.
I think I prefer the cottage. It's more homely.
Homely is a myth word. It means a place feels like a home, comfortable and cozy. Well, Eric, we have talked about the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, and even dream cottages.
We've learned many words today. Spacious, cramped, irreplaceable, clutter, tiny, and breathtaking.
To our listeners, we want to hear from you. Describe one room in your home in the comments. Use at least one new word you learned today.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We make these videos to help you speak English with confidence.
If you liked this podcast-style video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
Thank you for listening.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and we will see you tomorrow.
Bye.